Every journey begins with a dream. Today, that dream takes us to Switzerland.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com.
This video is brought to you by I Am. We believe every journey has the power to create new opportunities. That's why we help individuals and businesses navigate immigration with confidence, making the process simpler so you can focus on what comes next. Whenever you're ready, your I Am Visa coordinator is here to help.
Some places are visited, others are remembered forever. Welcome to Switzerland, a country where towering mountains meet crystal clear lakes, where every train journey feels like a postcard, and every season paints a different masterpiece. Hidden in the heart of Europe, Switzerland may be small on the map, but it offers extraordinary landscapes, efficient transport, rich culture, and unforgettable scenery. From soaring alpine peaks to panoramic train journeys, Switzerland offers some of the world's most spectacular mountain experiences. Villages surrounded by waterfalls and wooden chalets make it feel like stepping into a storybook. Historic cities blend timeless architecture with beautiful lakes and vibrant cafes. No visit is complete without tasting Swiss chocolate, creamy fondue, and local cheeses. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, Switzerland has an experience for every traveler. Travel in spring or autumn for fewer crowds. Consider a Swiss travel pass and remember to check Schengen Visa requirements if applicable. Switzerland isn't simply a destination. It's a feeling that stays with you long after you've returned home. If Switzerland is on your travel bucket list, talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, I Am can help. For visa advice, contact your I Am Visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.